at Sebastian Inlet today. Trying to catch some snook. Took me like an hour just to catch one little mahara. This is kind of the go-to bait here. And we're just gonna put them out. All I have on there is a like tiny split shot and a size 2 mustad J hook. And hopefully we get bit because this is the only bait I have. Otherwise we're gonna have to grind for another hour to get a bait. There it is. A good one? Is that a mutton? Holy crap, dude. Nah, I mean, I'm not keeping fish. Can I record it though? That is crazy.
No problem.
Can I? Dang. Can I put this video on the channel? Do you mind?
Go for it.
Cool. All right. Well, what's your name, by the way?
Dave.
Dave. We got Fisherman Dave here, and he got himself on a nice mutton snapper right in the middle of Sebastian Inlet, which is crazy because generally these are like offshore fish.
Yeah.
And that's a good size mutton snapper. Take a look at that.
And I saw the color come through. I said, man, it looked like maybe snooked with me.
Yeah, it was fighting kind of funny too.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Alright, well my dad got the first fish of the day. It's already 3, so it's been a tough day. But we're on a little mangrove snapper. They call them snapper for a reason. Those teeth are gnarly. This is quite difficult. There it goes.
There you go.
So it's about 11 inches and the keeper size is 10. So he's coming in, the bait buckets come home with us. And we're gonna see if we can catch some more. We're out of the inlet now, we're just south of Sebastian, and we found this little cove where you can cast onto this flat. That's where my dad caught that snapper, so we're gonna go see if we can catch something else.
Yeah.
Mullet.
Mullets.
So we're literally just on the other side of the parking lot from those mangroves, and there's this really cool road bridge that you can fish off of, and there's a little walkway. But I'm just gonna start here on the shallow end on the sand and see if there's anything there, and then go on the bridge and try to fish those pilings. So I'll show you what we get on. And we're doubled up here on the bridge. I got a mangrove, Dad's got one on. You got a bigger fish. Oh, 2 mangroves. Wait, whoa, don't put it on the road. It's gonna get hit by the car. Yeah, that's awesome. They're both a little too small to keep, so gonna let these guys go. Alright. We've decided against eating little buddy, so he's going back out. Ah! He's going back with a fight. Alright. All we're doing now, we're just on the other side of that road bridge. I'm throwing an artificial, and we got a piece of cut bait on, literally just a piece of cut bait on a hook thrown out there. And hopefully we'll get on something here. My dad hooked into a trout. Nice. Well, that's the first real fish of this trip. Ow, that hurt.
Is it done?
Yeah.
That's nice.
So we actually caught a game fish today. Nice little sea trout. And he ate a piece of cut pinfish. I wasn't even here for it. So, whew. Yeah, that's awesome. Here.
So, I said, I have to hurry because, and then you know what it's like? When they approach, it's kind of
So yeah, there's a sea trout.
it's pretty deal.
Yeah, he's probably about 18 inches long, but I'll take that all day long. That's awesome. Such a beautiful fish. They just live up in these shallows of the river.
Your hands are covering the trouts. Yeah, put it, yeah, there you go.
And that's just a beauty. So hopefully we found him. We'll get into more. But see you later, buddy. All right, so I've been throwing this little jig around for the longest time, and I finally got a hit. And it's Mr. Ladyfish. Sadly, that means he's gonna become bait, but it's good for me because we're gonna get on a big one now, I think. This is awesome. All right, we're getting bit on the cut bait here. We put it on the small rod, so this is gonna be fun. Got him. I don't know what it is, but we got him, boys. And it's decent. Can you please reel this line in?
What?
Reel that line in. All right, this is on a piece of that ladyfish. I just cut it up, and we are using the same tiny pole from Greensboro. Just, I want to get rid of it, and it refuses to stop catching fish. Man, I'm excited. I don't know what this is, but it feels heavy. All right, what we got going on here? Let me at least see you. No way, it's a stinking catfish. Catfish. All right, these are just like the ones in North Carolina, except sharper and more annoying. So I'm gonna go take care of this.
Channel catfish.
No.
It's pretty.
All right, so here's that catfish. I think this is a gaff top. There's two kinds of catfish in saltwater here in Florida, gaff top and sailfin. I don't know, they're just not as appealing as the freshwater ones. So let's see if we can catch something else. All right, so this has half of that ladyfish on there, and it's taking off right now. Look at the line take off that reel. I'm gonna let him eat it for a while, and then I'm just gonna hammer down on him. Holy crap, I don't know what this is, but it's big. All right, let's do it. I think it doesn't have it. No, it definitely does. Whatever it has, it's hooked on there. And it's an even bigger catfish. God dang it. Ugh. Yeah. Well, that's a big catfish. I had like a shark bait out. I was kind of hoping for that, and yeah, it's a big gummy. Yeah. All right, let's get him off. All right. So this one's definitely, actually, I don't know what kind it is, but look at the fins on it. They're so long. That's a pretty neat little fish, but not what we were looking for. Getting one last bite on the ladyfish before we go. Oops, forgot to tighten the drag. I suck. Well, we're hooked up anyway. I wonder what it is. It's feeling awful catfishy again. It's not a catfish.
Another catfish. catfish.
It's a catfish. Well, that's how you end the day right there.